In this video, I'm going to show you how to add donation buttons to your Twitch channel. So to go and start accepting donations, we first need to go and open up an internet browser and just type in Streamlabs and then press enter. Click on this top website here, streamlabs.com, and then just make sure you're on the official website. Now select login from the top right hand side, scroll down and click on login with Twitch. Now just go and sign in with your Twitch account and we can scroll down to the bottom and click on authorize. So I'm just going to click on I'd rather explore on my own at the bottom of this page. I then go and select the free plan. Click on join with free and that's going to take you over to your Streamlabs dashboard. So now in the left hand side, scroll all the way down and go and click on tipping. Now what you can do is go and select how you want to start receiving donations. So you can either choose PayPal business or you can choose a personal PayPal account. I'm just going to click on the personal PayPal and select connect. Now go and type in your email address associated with your PayPal account and click on submit. Now this URL next to your tip page is essentially the address that people can visit to come and tip your account. So if I just go and click on this like so, that's going to copy the URL and I can go and paste that into my web browser. So you can see that this is what it looks like. So when someone clicks on this page, they'll be able to make a donation. So now we just need to go and add this to our Twitch account. So come back over to your Twitch page and then we're going to scroll down and select customize channel. Scroll down again and you'll see social links. So from here, I'm going to type in something like donation and then you can just enter the URL for where people can go and tip you. Click on add. And you can also go and add something in the bio here, something along the lines of support my channel, and then just something like any donations appreciated. But obviously you can just write whatever you want here and click on save changes. So now if I come back over to my Twitch channel, you can see that if I scroll down and click on about, you can see that we have this bio and also this donation button. And when people click on this, they can go and tip us directly. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.